Hey all, it's John from Walkthrough Code. So in this video we are going to talk about controllers and repositories. So repositories are just an interface, but status controllers are going to be our they're going to be our routes file. All of our routes are going to be there for at least our status. What we're going to do, the first thing that we're going to do is tell Spring that this is a REST controller, or Spring Boot, excuse me. And here we're going to say at request mapping. So we're going to tell it what our base URL is. Our base URL is /API /v1 /users. From here, we can go on and inject our repository that we haven't yet created, but let's create that now. So if we go to our status repository, all we need to do here is we need to extend CRUD repository. And then we need to give it two arguments in the generic. The first one is going to be the type that we will be using, which in this case will be status. And the second one will be how we are tracking it. Like essentially, what is, sorry, talking and typing at the same time, always fun. Sorry, I want to do this instead. Really? There we go. Why so first one is going to be the type that we are uh, using without any other way to say it, and the second one is, what does our ID look like? Okay, so there's that. Let's go back to our controller. Let's go in here and inject this interface. So what we're going to do is we're going to say private, or inject the repository, excuse me, private final status repository of status repository, and then we need to create a constructor. So that will give us a little tip. There we go. And now we're going to create some get routes. So we're going to say get mapping. We're going to say that this is going to be, so this is going to be kind of our short-term seed file before we do anything database related. So we're going to say /bulk create, and then we're going to create our route name. So a public string bulk create. The reason why we're returning a string is just because we're not going to go in and print all those out. That's for our get all routes and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and paste some stuff because I know you don't want to watch me write all that. So let's go and then we'll grab this, and then we'll talk about what just happened. Yes, give me a raise, and then we're going to return status is added. Okay, so what did we just do? So basically, we just went into the repository and we said go in the repository and save all of these. So we can actually save in bulk, which is awesome. We can save singularly, or we can save in bulk. Here we're just saying we're putting together a list of new statuses and just saving those into the database. So we'll go ahead and do that. Then we're going to create another route, which is going to be our get all route. So we'll say at get mapping, and we're going to say, oh, users, what am I doing? This needs to say statuses. Oy statuses. There we go. And then this one we'll just say go to that address, and we're good. We'll say public iterable status get all statuses, and then we're going to return. This is going to blow your mind. Are you ready for this? We don't have to write anything crazy. Status repository dot. Okay, first of all, go ahead and look at all that stuff. That's pretty cool, right? We have find all, get find all by ID, delete, save, delete all, save all. It's pretty cool. All those things, we literally did nothing other than say, hey, give me this repository and extend CRUD repository. Status repository dot find all. And I think that's what's up. I think that's all we need to do for this. Let's go ahead and test it and see what happens. So it's starting up for us. It's doing some other things that we haven't yet seen. All right, cool. So it's up and running. I'm not gonna. I was just seeing if it was gonna error out. In the next video, we will talk about how to put together your application properties file, which is going to be your database connection URL, the type of database, your username and password for that database, and all that other fun stuff. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever like that, go ahead and throw it in the comment section below. Other than that, like and subscribe for anything you want to see on the channel. Have a great day. See you in the next video.